Hello, welcome to my quick little art talks. I am Michael Carini, and today I want to share my experience and my thoughts about being a pro artist versus a hobby artist based off my experience having transitioned from a hobby artist into a pro artist. And I will have to say that there were definitely some benefits of being a hobby artist. When I was a hobby artist and had another job, I didn't have to worry as much about the money, the overhead of the business. I had the money to do juried shows, to go do events. When I transitioned over to being a professional artist and only doing this, it kind of changed a few things in terms of the mentality and how I look at the business, because if this is how you make your living, you very much have to look at it as a business. You have to make money because this is how you make your living. Unless you're just independently wealthy or have a bunch of resources, have a sugar mama or sugar daddy, no judgment there. But if you don't, and you got to bring in the money, you have to find a way to do that. So as you're spending money, you have to find a way to bring in more money than you are spending. And so I look back and there were definitely some advantages of when I was doing it as a hobby, because I could just make the work that I really connected with. I didn't have to worry about if it sold. I could put my heart, my soul, and make sure I did the best work possible, and maybe only did a couple pieces a year. So the benefit of being a pro artist is that I'm always creating, I'm always making work, I'm always doing something, I'm always in that creative mode, and I definitely had to step it up when I shift over. I unlocked entirely new levels to my creativity. But everything comes at a price. So every positive has a negative, and every negative has a positive. So there's nothing wrong with being a hobby artist. There's nothing wrong with being a professional artist. But I just wanted to share a couple thoughts of my journey and my experience. But feel free to send me your questions. We could talk about it more. Share my stories, share my videos, let people know about me, and I'll see you next time.